got battery in this thing? Okay, we are good to go. Okay, so gas in the car, check. Cash in the pocket, check. I'm gonna check into my app in 2 minutes. I could do it now, I guess. And we're going. Okay, I am checked in. Go to live orders, your shift is starting soon. I am checked in and good to go. Oh yeah, air conditioning on, temperature 31. 31. Do you have any idea how hot that is? Let's just hope that things are busier than they were last week when I was in... Whoops, sorry about the shaking. Let's just hope that everything is better than last week. Was it last week? It was this week. What day was it? Wednesday? I think it was Wednesday. When I ended up going to that small town, I only got 2 orders in almost 3 hours. Anyway, Skip the Dishes has also asked me to do a few more shifts out there. The same thing, where they give you a $15 shift bonus plus whatever happens. But is it going to be worth it since there's not really a lot of business out there? Anyway, it's a hot day. I don't know how busy it's going to be. It is a Friday night. And like I said, it's pushing 5 o'clock. So we'll see if this Friday is as busy as last Friday. Okay, stick around. Let's hit the road. I don't know if I'm going to show every order here, but I'm going to try and show at least a summary of them towards the end. Because it gets a little busy when I start filming everything that's happening. Okay, so the first order is Burrito Boys again on Brampton, which is a road I know well, so I'm going to go out there and get us started. That guy had quite the guard dog. Second order, we're at 1709. Okay, so now we're going back into Brampton. I just got my 5th order, which is on Advanced Boulevard. I know where that is, and I know it once I see it. And I didn't get the name of the restaurant, but I'll figure it out when I get there. Hopefully the dash cam caught that. So that was a $8 order with an $8 tip. So now I'm at $52. And it is almost 8 o'clock. 3 hours.
His side of the story, the other
I'm staying on to 9.
John Tory.
So let's see what other order pops up. I don't even know what number that was. Is that number 5? I think that was number 5. Okay, still waiting for orders to pop up. Oh, there's one. Gino's Pizza, Main Street North. I think I just passed it, to be honest. Let's go. This is pretty exciting because I get to use my pizza bag for the very first time. Well, first time for a customer. I've used it for myself several times. Okay, so the pizza's in the car, and now I paid $21.42, and I'm picking up $27 basically. Don't know how far away this place is yet. We'll find out. Ready to drive. Directions, open Google Maps. Okay, let's get back in the road. Step on it. I feel like I'm in like a new team. You get all the fences before you make the out. All right, see you later. Yeah, that's right. That's about, I don't even know how much that is. It's a lot of money and change though. Okay, 9525 Mississauga Road. Thank God. Okay, got another order for booster juice, and all I have to say is thank God it's not cash. Okay, I'm not even joking. That was a lot of change. It was like 5 kids coming out, each with like $5 and change, and I'm not gonna complain. I mean, it's kids and they got money and it's close enough. I'm not going to spoil their night just if they're off by 10 cents, right? So, as long as they enjoy it, because I'd want it, if my kids did it, I'd be okay with that. Because it would show that my kids are hanging it together and spending time together and hanging with their friends. So, all the more power to them. But that is a lot of change. I mean, that's coffee money for like the next 3 months. Okay, let's figure out how to get out of here, but it's such a beautiful sunset. Okay, now this is kind of whacked because they want me to deliver a frozen drink or semi-frozen drink 17 minutes, which is, I hope it doesn't melt because it is like 30 degrees out there, so this could turn badly, but we'll see what happens. Time for one more after this or not? Well, I might stay on. If they give me a chance to stay on at 10, I think I will. Okay, it's $67.78 so far, almost $70. I guess that's counting all the change I have here. And it's almost 9. Hopefully the audio is not too windy for this. So I have $30-something in change. I can't even hold it all in both hands, so I gotta take that to the bank tomorrow. See what happens with it. We did a grand total of the 20th, so I did 7 orders, $67. So the one was nice, $16, $11, $10. So not too bad. You figure, so that was from 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock, so 4 hours. 67.78. Let's do the math. I can't do it in my head. 67.78 divided by 4. So almost $17 per hour. I probably burned maybe not much gas, maybe $12 worth, maybe 15. So what's that bring it down to? $13 an hour, $14 an hour, give or take, which still isn't too bad. I got a couple good dash cam clips out of it. I'll put those on my other channel, earn some kind of income. I'm currently at a baseball game. And it's a beautiful Friday night, so I got out and I did something, and that's all that really matters to me. So I'm still enjoying the sunset. It's raining over there. It's sunny over here. So yeah, tonight was a good night. For Skip the Dishes, I was pretty happy with it. I'm glad I got the extra hour. I don't know if I'm going to do the shifts in the small towns yet or not. We'll have to see. But if you like these kind of videos, leave a thumbs up. If this is your first time here, subscribe. And feel free to share this. If you're into the gig economy, keep coming back, because I'm going to keep trying to add to this. I'm going to poke around with some apps. I'm going to check out what else is out there. I'm not going to do Uber. I've done Uber. And I wish I would have recorded it when I was doing it, because it was fun and I met lots of interesting people. But I am not going to drive for Uber because I got a dog and I got lots of dog hair in my car. And I don't think that they're going to want to sit in a dog hair kind of car. But delivering food, that's easy peasy, man. And I stay inside my own little town. And I get to meet people and I go to places I've never been before. So it all works out for me. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I don't know when this is going to go up, but tonight is a Friday. It's July 20th. It's 9 o'clock, after 9 o'clock. I missed HQ Trivia. So, what can you do?
Especially in Northern Africa, we're talking tagine, named after the earthenware pot in which it's cooked. Shout out Cafe Mogador.
That's my closing shot. Have a good night.
Rockin' stew. And so do 22,956.
So now I gotta go to the bank tomorrow and deposit this.